Hi, I'm Dr. Bob of Roberts Automotive. I'm going to show how to do a winter inspection, what is included in on the winter inspection service. Proper inflation is good for winter running and fuel mileage. We'll go ahead and check tread depth on the car just to find out if your tires are good enough for winter runs. Next, we'll go under the hood to check a few components under there to make sure that everything will be safe for winter time. Go to the engine itself and take a look at the engine belts to see what the conditions are, and to see if the belts are cracked, worn, or have any signs of wear on those. I look around for visible oil leaks. Then I will go into the air cleaner and usually go ahead and use a light and go in and take a look at the condition of the air filters on the inside to make sure that they are not clogged up with debris and that sort of thing. Comes out. This will give the freezing point. This particular one checks for about a minus 30 degrees, which is fine. The color is absolutely fine on this one. Next, we'll probably go ahead and take a look at the cabin air filter on this, just to find out if the incoming air filter has got any debris or dirt in it, and that would hinder the motor and heating everything from operating like it's supposed to. Essentially, to take it up and take a look at all these different fins and find out if there is dirt buildup. These start out life pretty white in color. This one right here, yeah, does show like it needs to be replaced. One of the more important steps for winterization is to go ahead and check your battery condition, because the colder the weather, the less the battery is going to work for you. We use a up-to-date checking machine that will go ahead and go through an automatic phase and check. The test will run on that. It'll come back with a result. You usually go ahead and put up in the column there if it has a good battery or not. I could go ahead and start the engine for a moment and it'll tell me if the starter is drawing too much then. And that system passed just fine. Next, we're going to go ahead and try a few things in the car itself. One with wiper operation, just to turn those on and to work the windshield washers themselves to find out if they are cleaning properly, if there's any streaks, or if the wiper blades are making any noise. Then we'll go ahead and do the heater system on that to make sure that the blower and all the heater operation itself is complying and changing speeds like it's supposed to. Next, we'll move on to the headlight system on this to turn on your headlights and check to see if all the lights and the whole systems are working properly on that, and also to go ahead and go out and take a look at the front lens and see if they are clouded over, because at nighttime driving and snow, rain, all that sort of thing, you've got to have clear lenses on the cars to be able to operate properly. Next, I usually go ahead and check the antifreeze itself. What I'm looking for here is the boiling point of the fluid, and then I want to look at the color of the fluid to make sure that the antifreeze is not dirty. These tests I showed right now are the ones I could go ahead and perform on the ground. Once we do have the cars, different trucks in for inspection, the mechanics will go a little bit more in depth. They'll look underneath the car, they'll inspect the brakes a little bit heavier, they'll take a look at all the different mechanical system stuff and make sure that you are ready for wintertime.